Right, what I'm going to do first of all is put some masking tape on the edge of this shower. I don't want to get any onto the tray. Can't moan at me then, Dave, can you? I've got crap on the shower tray.
I'm sure a bit of CT1 multi-salt.
Oh, he's good, he's good. He wants the deal. Dave wants to get in the... Nicola, get in the Hummer. I bought gloves and I haven't even put them on. I've just got some on my head. Is it on there? It's on there. So I've just got some on my head. So if you can see the boys filming, they're also filming for CT1 to use a bit of this in their promo for it, but I've just slapped it on here.
You're going to want to use it now, you messy, how messy you are.
It's Real World Plumbing Day. So I'm back at this bathroom job that we're doing for Dave Bishop. Dave's here, sculling around. Nigel's looking busy, you know.
Right, I'm always busy, mate.
So Dave's here. We come to do our tanking kit. As you seen the other day, I put all the pipe work in. Dave's been in Saturday and Sunday, didn't you?
Yep.
Saturday and Sunday.
No, Friday, Saturday.
Friday, Saturday. Was you here Sunday?
No, I did another job Sunday.
So he was working all weekend. So he's done Friday here, Saturday here, because in the last part of this video, I don't know if you've seen it on this one or the one before, we had to get the pipe work in because Dave was putting the shower, the moisture boards up, getting the shower tray in. So we'll go in. It's all done, Dave, isn't it?
Yep, all plastic, all ready.
So we'll go in. It's in here. We've also got the Trade Legends lot filming for some bits and bobs. But yeah, we'll quickly poke our head through. So yeah, Dave's got the moisture boards on, got it plastered. So let's go in, have a look, and I'll talk you through exactly what we're going to do with tanking this shower tray out, because we've got a new product from CT1 to use in this bathroom. Right, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is well. I am currently doing the intro to this video in the van between jobs because it is just manic at the minute, and the reason being is I've got to free up next week because it's installer show. So I'm going to be at installer show next week on the Tuesday, the Wednesday, the Thursday, the 25th, 26th, 27th. The first day, the Tuesday, I'm with Snug Underfloor Heating. So if you pass in and you want to come over and say hello, drop by. We are doing a really big giveaway at the Snug stand. We're giving away a Veto Pro Pack and a Unilite each day of the installer show, but I'm there on the Tuesday. So if you pop over, come and see me and I'll tell you exactly how to win a Veto Pro Pack and a Unilite. The other 2 days I'm with Unilite, Veto Pro Pack, and with the Trade Legends podcast that I co-host. We're taking that all the way around the installer show. We're going to go and speak to people, brands, people you'll know off the social media. We're going to try and chat with loads of people and basically have a bit of a catch up with everyone. So if you are coming to install a show, make sure you come and say hello. Also, which ties in with this video, CT1 are releasing their brand new tanking solution system at installer show, which is what this video is about. BW1 it's called. It's a complete tanking solution, no prep needed, literally 2 hours, 3 hours, and you can completely tank and protect a shower area, wet room, floor, whatever you want to use it for. It works a treat. It goes like a rubber membrane. You'll see in the video how it goes. It goes like a rubber membrane and completely seals it in. It takes away the need for preparation. It takes away, now I think this is one of the good parts of it, is, you know, the scrim tape that you usually put into the corners of like shower areas that then cause an arc. It's not a complete sort of corner. Takes that away because you're painting it on. You'll see in the video. So be interesting to know what everyone thinks. It's being hard launched at installer next week, and then it will be available all the usual outlets. Yeah, CT1's new tanking system, BW1. Take a look at the video, drop me a comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll try and reply to as many comments as I can on there. And don't forget, come and see me at installer show on the Tuesday. I'll be knocking around the Wednesday and Thursday as well, so if you see me, grab me for a chat, a bit of a catch up. It'd be good to have a chat with subscribers to the channel. There's always the usual lot that come and say hello, and I love catching up with you. You know who you are. So yeah, I shall hopefully see a few of you then, but for now, take a look at the video, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, hit the like button, and drop me a comment, and I'll catch you soon. So this is what Dave's been doing. He's got these moisture boards on, he's got it plastered, skimmed the ceiling, he's got the tray in, it's all ready to go. So what we're going to do today is tank this wall out, It's half height tile to about here. So this is the area we're concentrating on now. I've got a new product sent out to me from CT1, and it's that new that it's still in the sample packaging. So MJTIFF plumbing, it's called BW1 and it's a sample. It's about to come out. I think it's getting its hard release at Installer Show. So we're going to put it on today. So we're going to be one of the first people to actually use it in the real world plumbing. First people to actually use it in a real world plumbing scenario. So what we're going to do, empty it from here into the tray, use a roller it on. We've got a paintbrush if we're in the size. Now the good thing with this is minimum preparation work. It doesn't have to be bonded or anything like that. It'll go straight onto the wall. And also, you put the first coat on. Within an hour and a half to 2 hours, we can get the second coat on, and then that's it, done. Then it's just got to cure for 16 to 18 hours overnight, and then Dave can come in tomorrow and get it tiled. So, yeah, the BW1 tanking kit from CT1. I'm interested to see just how it's going to work. So let's crack on, get BW1 into the tray, and get it on the wall, and see what it's all about. Right, what I'm going to do first of all is put some masking tape on the edge of this shower, just so that we don't get any on the tray. I don't know how sort of sticky it is. I don't want to get any onto the tray for it to be a pain to come off. So we just chuck some duct tape. Well, it's not duct tape, is it? Masking tape, sorry. Chuck that down there. Can't moan at me then, Dave, can you? I've got crap on the shower tray.
I'm sure a bit of CT1 multi-soul.
Oh, he's good, He wants the deal. Dave wants to get in the... Nicola, Dave wants to get in the Hummer. So I've covered the shower tray up. We've put some masking tape around the side just because I don't want to get any of the BW1 on there, because I don't know what it's like to get off. Shouldn't be a problem because we've got wipes and stuff anyway, but just as a matter of course, done that, covered the tray up. So I picked up a little roller set from Screwfix. You can apply it straight out of the tub, but I can't get the lid off. There we go. Let's have a look what it's like. There you go. So as I say, you can apply it out of there. I'm going to put some into here, but what I'm going to do first of all is cut in the edges around there, and then I'm going to go up the corner with the paintbrush, round the pipes with the paintbrush, and then we'll hit it with the roller, get it all on. We go into here, and then this side, and then we're half height tiling, Dave, to about there, aren't we?
Yeah, coming up, yeah, 1250.
So 1250 there, and so I can, what I'll do, I'll overlap a little bit there, see how much we've got. I might even just put a bit across there, so it won't really matter as long as that shower area is covered, but we'll go floor to ceiling with it and make sure that's done. Right, let's get some in here first. Gone over the handle, Dave, innit?
You can tell you weren't a decorator in your past life.
Mate, I hate decorating.
You're supposed to be tanking the walls, not the floor.
How much of this stuff do you reckon you'll need?
Well, they reckon
It says on that.
a tub will do a shower tray, a shower cubicle. What I'm going to do first of all is cut it into the bottom. We've obviously, where I've put that masking tape, we've got our sealant there. It's going to be tiled, so even if we put some on there, which I think I'm going to do just to bond it in a little bit better, we're good to go. So, start applying it. Nice and thick. They're the awkward little bits in the bottom, but once that's done, we can then get rolling it on.
Right onto that silicone.
That's what I'm done, yeah. Come onto it. Because it will just blend it in a little bit, won't it? Because you're going to tile it anyway, so it's going to come out with the tiles.
Yeah. At least it creates a barrier. Will that create a barrier from the wall to the silicone?
To the silicone,
well?
yeah. It goes really rubbery. Like at the show, I remember seeing it at the KBE show, it was quite rubbery when it went off. Right, let's get it tucked up in this corner, go all the way up with it, up the corner. I bought gloves and I haven't even put them on. And I've just got some on my head. Is it on there? Can you see it on there? So I've just got some on my head. So if you can see the boys filming, they're also filming for for CT1 to use a bit of this in their promo for it, but I've just slapped it on here.
They
in
ain't
the
gonna
corner.
want to use it now, you messy, how messy you are.
It's Real World Plumbing Day. But yeah, it does go off quite sticky. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry on getting it up here, cut the edges in here, and then we'll start rolling it onto the walls and covering the full area. So I've had the brush out, we've got the corners covered in now, I've covered in around the bottom, and we've gone up these lines here. We're half height tied into here along the ceiling. So what I'm going to do now is get the roller, get that in the BW1 and just completely cover the whole area. Then what I've got to do is leave it hour and a half, 2 hours for it to set, then we'll put the second coat on. So let's see what it's like putting it on with the roller. Shouldn't be too bad. Here we go. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same as most tanking kits. It goes on really well with the roller. Coverage is spot on. So I'm going to crack on now, get this completely covered and get it set, and then in a couple of hours you can get the second coat on. So we've got the first layer of BT1 put on, completely covered it. It's gone on quite well actually. It goes quite tacky. It's like a real thick sort of paint feeling, but it goes really tacky. But yeah, I'm impressed with that. So what we'll do, we'll leave that an hour and a half, 2 hours to go off, and then what I'm going to do is apply a second coat onto it. It's done, easy as that. And then Dave can crack on next week and get the tiling done. Right then, we are bang on an hour and 45 minutes later. This has cured pretty well. It's a little bit tacky, I'm assuming that's how it's meant to be, because in the instructions it says leave between hour and a half and 2 hours to apply the second coat. So it's a tiny little bit tacky. What we're going to do now is completely cover all of this lot again, the same process. Just to give you a bit of an idea, I left the roller in the tray to sort of show you what it's gone like after an hour and a half. And as you can see, it's like a skin. Like a rubbery skin, however that is, if I can get a bit to show you. There you go. So that's how it's going on, and then obviously we're going to apply the next coat now on top of that, or on top of that should I say, and get it completely sealed in with 2 coats. Right then, what I'm going to do with the second coat, we've obviously got the first coat straight out that tray. Second coat I'm going to do straight out the tub. So yeah, second coat's going on perfectly well, same as the first coat, real good spread on it, and it's covering all where we put the first coat. So yeah, we'll crack on with this then and get it all tanked in. There we go, all done, completely sealed in now with that BW1 tanking kit. It's gone on perfectly, so we've got to leave it now 24, well it says 16 to 18 hours, but it will be about 24 hours before Dave gets back in and he can get this tiled. So yeah, I think that new BW1 from CT1 is a banging product. Go and check it out. I think it's getting released in the next probably 4 to 5 weeks, so keep an eye out for it. It's going to be the go-to tanking kit. Right then, that bathroom that we done is now finished. Dave Bishop the Chippy, it was his job, his bathroom. He's completely finished it now. So I'm just poking my head in to have a look. We did the first fix on it because Dave wanted me to get the shower pipes in, the heating pipes in. He's been back, him and Nige. Finished tiling it, and he's got the shower in, shower screen, units in the lot. Just quickly pop that in and see how this bathroom looks now it's done. All right, there we go. Much better layout, much more usable. Really nice looking bathroom. Got the towel rail on. Dave's got the vanity unit in, toilet in, it's just loads better. A little bit for your toilet rolls down there. Nice shower screen, all tiled out. Remember we put the CT1 waterproofing membrane behind the back of there. Rainfall shower, body one, nice little mixer shower. yeah, Dave's put it all in. Looks nice. Well, Dave and Nige, you did a bit nice, didn't you?
I did a bit, Tiff.
Nice.
Just
You've probably done most of it. But no, it looks really well, that. So yeah. Well done, Dave, Bishop and Nige.